Oh, you mean people I don't know says your boy Yaadman Etan, and typically I don't do these type of videos, but for some reason I don't want to see me do a hair tutorial because I always get compliments like, oh my god, your hair is so nice, yeah, why you put in your hair? And you know, the girl them just open on my hair, playing on my hair, and I touch my hair without my permission and all them thing there. So I decided to get a very special guest to help me do my hair. Alright, so I'm gonna soon see her. Alright. So the first thing I'm gonna have to do, I'm gonna wash my hair. Alright, so of course when you wash your hair, the first thing we have to do, you have to wet it up. So boom! So my hair wet up. Alright, so see here, this is what my hair look like when it wet. You see me? It catch back all that length and all them thing there. You see me? Some people sometimes tell me some favorite alkaline when them can't see my face. I don't understand how that makes sense. But yes, hair wet up. So the next thing we're gonna do, we're gonna shampoo the hair. Alright, so see here. Yes, so as you can see, my shampoo down already. Whew. My shampoo of choice, some Suave with some rosemary and mint. No, this video is not sponsored by Suave, but if you now watch this and want to sponsor me, you know, that'd be cool too. But yeah, I like to use rosemary and mint because you see the thing with locks, whatever you put in your hair, whatever type of environment you're in, your locks going to smell just like that. So if you're used to going to the club every weekend, best believe your locks are gonna smell like weed, liquor, smell good girl, and some girl who probably not smell too good. And you know the man them who on kind of green and they don't like beard and them wear the yeah man, any type of smell or pungent and just charm, you hear it gonna smell like it. So if you make sure when you take care of your locks, you know, you put it in, you know, you put it in the thing them way, make it smell good. See, usually my locks, I have to wash it more than one time depending on how dirty it be. Cause usually I wash my hair like every 4 to 6 weeks. But say if I get to week 7, I have to wash this like 5 times the way it's dirty. Especially when I did at Jamaica when it's hot and humid and well greasy, you see me? So yeah, the next thing what we're gonna do, I gotta wash this out. Boom! And my locks are washed. So now all we have to do, all we have to do now is dry it and then we can start retwist. And it's the one thing about locks, it retains so much water. It wetter than a girl when she, alright, I may not say that on YouTube. It wetter than Duns River after it rain. Alright? So I gotta dry it a little bit and then we can move to retwist it. Boom! So when you're telling us I have a special guest help you with my hair today, please introduce yourself, my special guest.
Imani Ray. Hey.
So have you done this before?
No.
You've
So I'm nervous.
So this is the first time you're on a couch with a camera in front of you.
No, I'm worried about the locks. I'm worried about that.
Oh, so you've done casting couch before? You know.
It feels familiar.
You,
I'm gonna say I used to do
wait.
Exactly.
Wait, hold on. So you've done casting? Do you know what casting couch is?
I mean, I kind of.
So you've never, no one has ever done, so how old are you? Like, is this your first time doing this?
I don't like you.
Oh, okay, okay, all right, cool. Your first time twisting locks, and you say you're nervous.
I'm very nervous. I don't like doing things wrong. I like to do it right.
Listen, you'll be alright. Are you like a hands-on learner?
Yeah.
Alright, come. Grab this one. Mad. So I want you to like separate like other hairs that may be in this. Yeah. And like pull away like other locks. Yeah, like I can feel that other hairs are like in there.
Ooh, if I pull this hard,
Let's pull it. Let's pull it. Yeah, let's pull it. Don't be gentle. Just yeah.
Are you tender-handed?
Not as much as I used to be.
Okay. Oh, Jesus.
Yeah.
I think.
So that good? That feel good?
It feels good.
Okay.
Looks good.
Let me test it and see.
Okay.
Alright. Yeah, that's a pretty good job. Now, alright, hold it now. Now take the locking gel and apply some to your finger. And put this on the root.
Okay.
Put this on the root.
Wait, are we not supposed to spray it?
I mean, it's alright right now. Let's put this on the root and then twirl it in a clockwise direction.
Hey. Did it?
So, yes, exactly. Now lie it down and then use this to clip it.
Did I twist it enough though?
Yeah.
Oh shit. Okay.
Let's see.
No?
Yes.
Yes?
Yes.
Okay, now I got this.
Alright, so now you got this.
I got this.
Alright, cool. So, alright, so she's just
Oh,
so,
this is it.
so
Let's see if I can do it on my own.
alright, so she's all up in my head right now. Alright. Cool.
You know how those monkeys be like to each other? Okay. We're gonna take it step by step.
We're gonna take it-
Just don't say nothing, but
Alright, so
but tell me if I did it right.
alright. Imani, do you have a YouTube channel?
I do. I'm working on it.
So, like, is there anything you'd like to say to some of my viewers right now?
Guys, if you're not following me, if you want to subscribe. No, not if. Make sure you go subscribe to Imani Ray.
Tell them some of the stuff that you do.
I dance, I sing.
Mm-hmm.
If you want to whine on me. Oh gosh, no, wait, hold on. If you want to whine on me. If you want to whine on me. Take control of it with Sing, dance.
Okay. So, is there anything else that you want them to
I'm
know?
sitting here like, I hope I did this right.
Jesus, please.
Hold on. Okay. You feel it now.
Yeah, that's good.
Yay, okay. What else would you want to know?
So, where are you from? And what type of music do you do?
I was originally born in New York, but I tell people all the time I was born in Trinidad spiritually.
Born in Trinidad spiritually, okay.
Yes, my family's from Trinidad, so I grew up in a Trini household. You know, the culture is all I know.
Roti and doubles and bacon shack, okay.
What do you know about that?
You see, I have to know about my Caribbean people, you understand?
Talking like you know that.
Huh? Listen, I know a thing or two.
But yeah, so like, I don't know. I just felt like a kid that was in America, but Trini.
Okay, understood.
It didn't, like, I dead seriously with, you know, like the standardized test things they do? I didn't see Caribbean American, so I'll just put other instead of say African American.
I do that shit all the time.
So serious. Like, that's how much I just, you know.
I understand.
And because of, you know, growing up in a Caribbean household and really just love my culture and where my family came from. When I decided to start singing, I decided to do
Alright, hold on. Where is it?
Right there.
Right here? Did you clip it already?
No.
Alright.
I did put the clip in, yeah.
Alright, continue.
Put it?
No, go ahead. I just felt like the clip was going through the lock and not like.
Right here?
Alright, continue.
Hold on.
Wait.
There.
Okay. Alright, that's good.
Okay.
Alright, cool.
Oh my god, he's scared the mess out of me. Okay.
So, have you ever been to any other Caribbean country?
Barbados.
Okay.
You know, I'm still trying to make my way to Jamaica.
Oh, for real? Well, I mean, you know, Jamaica is a very lovely place. It's, you know, the weather is great around all year round. And, yeah, I love that place. That's where I go to, you know, to relax and reset myself and, you know?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I used to have an aunt that lived out there.
Well, yeah.
And I have my uncle, his family. He's from Jamaica. He's my uncle by marriage, but...
Well, I mean, let me know when you want to go to Jamaica and then I'll probably can make a trip or something.
Oh, we'll see.
I know Jamaica Carnival is coming up. It's around.
Right?
When?
Are you going?
We'll see, depending on how the Trinity Carnival thing works.
I was gonna say, you find your ticket yet? For my Trinity girl?
I
Which
bought-
one can
I mean, there's one in my head right now.
I'm gonna be there.
Alright, cool.
I'm excited.
So we'll see. I'll see how I get
It's
there.
getting tricky.
Alright, well, what's getting tricky?
I just don't know if I'm catching
Let me see.
all there. Wait, let me just double check first. Before you do it. Okay, you check now.
Wait. Whoa. No, it's good. It's good.
I was gonna say, that look like that's indie.
Okay, what?
Like that's in there. In there.
Oh, okay. Listen, sometimes we can't really understand when them Trinity people are talking, you know. And I'm going on sometimes.
Whatever.
Yeah, Jamaican people chat body. Alright, that's good.
Okay.
You see that people, you see, you just teach them one time, then them not even want your hand in your own head.
No.
So them
Don't touch.
take over. You
Leave
see?
it.
See it there?
I got this.
I'll see how the Trinity thing goes. It's very possible that I can get there.
Have you ever been to Trinidad?
I've never been to Trinidad.
You're gonna love it. When you go for Trinidad Carnival.
Yeah, I'm pretty sure. I've actually.
Just make sure you don't fall when you bust up right now, like, yeah. No slip-ups in Trinidad.
So alright, so since we're telling that story.
Story time.
Alright, so Jesus Christ. So so you guys know that event that I did. I did that event, you know, when that Guyanese guy was like, you know, the Guyanese man them have the best chickens.
Yeah, he was
Yeah, he has the best chickens, yes.
Hold on, so here's my question, man. Cause we get some long cock, right? So GT man them all the time.
Yeah, that you there. So I don't think I told this story for my YouTube people, but I told this for my Instagram people. So there I was at Soka's Life. And right before,
there I was, minding my business.
sure, yeah, she was there minding her business, right? And then I spotted this, you know, young lady across the club, and I was like, so I tapped my bridge and I'm like, yo, brother, she there? He's like, oh, I'm like, yo, I'm soon come. So, like, Jesus, I can't believe I have to be very honest with this story. So me to walk over to her, but me did do a little mind game or something. You see me? Like I was walking past her, but me never did want me didn't want to get her attention. So what I did, when I was walking past her, I was like, yo, excuse me, but like I did kind of hook my arm around her waist. And then I'm gonna walk a little bit, so like kind of drag her with me. And then I turn around, I'm like, oh hey, what are you doing here? Man, I didn't even see you. Like, what, you know, what's up? And then little conversation. I'm say, yeah man, me soon come back. So me did gone and go do something. I like matter, I never did nothing. I was trying to get some, some B-roll shots for the video.
Right.
And then
Right.
you're right. So oof.
Sorry.
Come on, that one felt like a release. Come on, that one felt tight. Alright. So
I got you.
we got we did the Vox Pop. I'm sure my subscribers, I hate them, you see. It's the Jamaican people. No, I love them and I hate them at the same time because they spot everything that happens in my videos. Yes. So yeah, you remember that one scene, me to ask her, that one question and she catch me off guard. Yeah.
Alright, so ready? Who the best Caribbean man? Go!
The what? You?
Best Caribbean.
Yaadman.
One more clap!
That one there, yeah, shit, yeah.
That was me.
Yeah, that one that did catch me off guard still. So then, afterwards, we didn't know, and
I say this one now, I bust a wine, and I say, yeah man, I got running upon this right now. Zine? So, when me ready now, I'm ready, I'm running upon it. I realized how slippery the floor was. Because for some reason, it's like everybody just spilling them drinks all over the place.
Of course, it's drunk people on the tile floor.
Boy. So he said, as me ready for step in now. And I dropped my drop. Wait, so my drop, the thing that was going through my mind was, I hope she don't see me,
And I seriously did not. I was so... That's my problem. Like, whenever I'm out, just having a good time, I'm just in my own world.
She's dying right now because she just saw the video with her dancing her deal with me wicked. Yeah, that one there, not my proudest moment. You see, at the time, I was very scared of Jamaican Twitter. Because let me tell you, Jamaican Twitter is just a bunch of savages. Okay, Jamaican Twitter, yo. I had to develop a certain level of confidence to be on Jamaican Twitter. And the night that video went up, I had different angles of that. And Jamaican Twitter was talking, it's a good thing I never had the clout I do now, them time there, cause boy, yeah man. I did it for the views, but me never ready for Jamaican Twitter the night, so me they kind of have to just, I had to hide off of social media for like a good 2 days.
Yo, that, like, I'm literally,
yeah man. Yo, big up yourself, Dance Rebel. I don't know if you ever guys see this, but yeah, big up yourself, said way. Yeah, I have a bone to pick with you. Yeah. So that's what happened. So, anyways, back to the the story. So yeah.
You just fall, end up on the ground plenty. Alright. I can't help myself.
So what happened was.
Oh God.
So what happened was. Yeah. Imani that went up herself, so I said, yeah man, I'm ready. And I got running, and as I run in, I drop. Right? The floor did slippery. You know, people them that spilled them drinks with them ice and everything, yeah man, they did well slippery. And see, I was hoping that she was meant to see it. But when I look over, my brethren over there, so what did I dead? Cause see everything what just happened, he saw everything what happened, and dead in my dead. So a girl over there saw I dead, some people over there saw I dead, because people just say they witness everything walk on them, they are dead with a laugh.
And I was just so clueless, like, I was like...
Yeah man, and I was hoping that, you know, she never say anything.
What are they laughing about?
And then it's when I try to get up again, me drop again. Yeah man.
You tried twice?
Listen, it was...
I thought it was one time.
It was so slippery. I wasn't even fully off the ground and I drop again.
I would need you to work on your balance.
Listen, it was because...
So shoes with grips.
It was... Okay. Listen, it was very slippery and it was on an incline. Alright?
Was it
okay.
really?
Well, it was really. Okay, yes.
I don't remember an incline.
You see, yeah, because you never see me drop. So I get up, run in, collect the wine quick and fast, and then everything come back to me and I was just dying with laugh. And I know that she was so confused. She was like,
I was lost, like...
Yeah man, she was so confused and I had to, you know, so... Yeah,
I was like, I know this guy is not sitting here trying to laugh at my wine.
No!
My wine is on point.
You see, it is. It really is. Which is why I had to tell the story to make sure it's ouch. Which is why I had to tell the story to make sure it's you know, clear up all of that. So yes, that is why I was laughing, because boy, if you saw what happened, boy, yeah man.
I would have been dead too.
Yeah man, you'd have been dead too. Yeah man. So I was actually hoping that my friend had caught that on camera, because
that would have been cool.
That would have been viral.
actually enjoying it.
You're actually enjoying this?
I thought I was gonna get tired of this.
Oh, so,
by now.
so you thought this was going to be like work?
Yeah.
Okay. You see that, people?
I like
you see
trying
that?
new things.
You see the Jamaican girl, them don't like man with locks, you know. But you see, I have this Trinidad girl up in my hair, and she's playing up in my locks. You see that? And she enjoys
come
this.
on.
You see this?
No,
Alright.
I'm playing up in the locks.
You see it? Huh? Oh, okay. Okay. Okay.
Wait,
Oh,
hold on. I want to do it like that.
like what?
The whole, that you know,
Oh, so you want?
you gotta be official.
Okay, so you want? You see that? So she's moving from regular twisting to she went with a palm rolling. So you just put it in the middle of your palm and make sure it goes in a clockwise direction, same way, and that's it. If you can palm roll all of them, I promise you it's gonna be a lot faster.
Yeah, I feel like it would be.
Yeah. Just get like a one good roll or two good rolls and that's it.
That's it?
Yeah.
Okay.
PG Records.
So how long have we been at this now?
2 hours.
Like 2 hours, and you're like halfway into my head. So it seems like we're halfway.
Yeah. Wait, you messed up. You gonna make it look like I did a bad job.
Bloopers.
Okay.
Hey yo people, then we're done. Finally, it took about 4 hours, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, you tired?
I'm beyond tired.
You're tired. Well, ladies and gentlemen, it looks like Imani Ray has conquered my dreadlocks.
You know,
Yeah, so one thing, and look good, wait, hold on.
check the bounce.
Yeah, okay. The bounce is there, definitely the bounce is there. I think she did a good job. But honestly, and you guys think she did a good job? Probably in the morning after I wake up, I'm gonna take out all the clips, I'll do like one more, like, slow, shake my
Just
hair
keep
out
in
type of
mind this
thing.
is my first time, okay? So be easy.
Oh, it's your first time,
Be easy.
so be easy because it's your first time.
Yeah. Hey, I'm still proud of myself.
Alright.
I
Well,
conquered the hair to hair.
so people, them ensure that you subscribe to Imani Ray's channel.
Yes,
Is there anything else you want to let them know?
I'm tired and we're going to bed.
Alright, so yeah, just close this out. Let's close it out.
And out.
Yo, so here we are, and I'm about to unravel my hair after I took the clips out. So let's see if Imani did a good job. Alright. Yo, I hope, you know. Yo, I know Imani said this was her first time doing this, and I must say, I am very, very, very impressed. Yo, I hope we can convince her to come over and do this again, because boy, not everybody good them first time like this, Yo, I just like to say thank you very much, Imani Ray, for helping me with my hair. And people them, thank you so much for watching this video. Please remember to subscribe and keep the vibe, and make sure that I'm gonna go over and subscribe to Imani's channel. Alright, yo, this girl is very, very, very talented. Yo, go listen to her song them. Trust me, that girl a stick. That girl a Doh Stick. Yeah man, man. So yeah, that is my hair tutorial video. Alright, I'm probably not going to do this again. So, big up on that damn self.